So I'm the founder and CEO at the Mentoring Lab, and for the last 4 weeks we've been in St Albans, which is my hometown, and we have been delivering workshops for Leanna's Wish. Just a little note here, we're actually doing it, spin it round, at my old primary school, which is St Peter's. We've been delivering a project called Limitless, and it's part of our Game Time series, where we support young people in understanding their values, their qualities and strengths, and also their ambitions. And for the last 4 weeks, we've been taking the young people on a journey where we, number one, get them to reflect on their current situation, who they are, what's important to them. We get them to explore their qualities and their strengths. And we also looked at them developing a good idea of how they would overcome resilience.
I think it was brilliant. I think to have the Mentoring Lab come in and deliver the intervention in a very structured way was really good for the young people. I think talking to them about resilience, it was using the tools to help build them up and keep them safe and all that sort of stuff, but we never used the formal mentoring toolkit, which Elaine has devised, and it's brilliant. And to have you come in and do this today has just illustrated to me exactly why we need you down at the other sites. We've got 2 other sites in St Albans, and we need the Mentoring Lab.
Is because once we know what's important to us, once we know what helps us to make decisions, it makes us a stronger person. So as you can see here, values are beliefs, okay? And it's what defines us. And we've all got different values. And what we find is that in life, if we've got shared values, then we kind of get along better.
Last 4 weeks has been really great. I've been the game facilitator.
Become the person you want to become. So gradually, I enrolled into the army. Things was very difficult. I can't remember one of the toughest things I did as of today was when I joined the army. We were supposed to run for 8 miles. How many of you have run 8 miles?
Yeah, I told them about the life in the army as well, what I do in the army. I've also given them advice on never to give up in life. Life is full of ups and downs, so anytime they are down, you can use their values, qualities and skills.
It's been brilliant. What you've done, both of you, is give them clarity and made them think about what they want. It's like I was trying to explain to them when they were sort of saying, well, what's it all about? I said it's about giving you life skills to enable you when you make decisions about your future, what's important and what's of value to you. And I said the exercises that you're doing, I said it's all, everything you can incorporate in your daily life. Plus you can go home and share with your parents.
You said something in there about family. It's what we came from the Caribbean with, because when we came, it was hard, wasn't it?
All we wanted to do was go back.
You know, all we wanted to do was go back, but because we had to become resilient.
Yeah.
So working off the tools that you'll find in the Youth Mentoring Toolkit, it's, you know, our program is able to fit everybody, and we've had a fantastic time. So thank you to Shelley Hales, the founder of the Leanna's Wish, and all her volunteers for supporting us. And thank you more so for trusting us, because we had some unorthodox games, one called Ruthless, that another mentor from Liverpool told me about, and we've been using it. So thank you for trusting us. Thank you for trusting the process. Thank you for allowing us to do group mentoring with your young people. And I know that the work that you do with them off of the work we've done today will continue.